Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the PHYSXDEVICE.dll not found error that appears in some games on Windows. First, you should install or reinstall the NVIDIA PHYSX software. Go to the official NVIDIA website and search for NVIDIA PHYSX system software. Download the latest version and install it on your computer. This will replace any missing or damaged DLL files and often fixes the problem right away. After installation, restart your PC and try running the game again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to reinstall your GPU drivers. Sometimes the PHYSX component does not work correctly if your graphics drivers are broken or outdated. Open the NVIDIA website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. During installation, choose the Custom or Advanced option, then select Clean Installation. This will remove old driver files and install everything fresh, including PHYSX support. After this, restart your computer again. If the error still continues, you should check your system files. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Then type sfc/scano and press Enter. This tool will scan your system for corrupted or missing Windows files and automatically repair them. Wait for the process to complete and then restart your PC. After following these steps, the PHYSXDEVICE.dll not found error should be resolved, and your game should run normally again. Thanks for watching.